caliper pin. Yeah. It's a caliper pin. You can take it.
It's okay, no worries.
It's good.
Yeah. Different angle is easy to.
Yeah, it's
easy for people.
to know, yeah.
Oh, you need to give a pressure to remove those things.
So, okay. Here we have our brake caliper.
It's okay, you can do it. Just...
Your pads are good. Now it's going. Because the bolt went through the whole metal and the bolt tip got rust also. Thanks God, we got it out. Yeah. It looks nice. It looks nice. Here we have our brake rotors. We're taking the pads, clips for them to move a bit more freely.
To clean the.
Yeah.
So you put the WD-40 on it.
To clean the contamination here and for them to be a bit smoother. Yeah, we'll leave it for now for a while. Then clean it with a metal brush. They move nice. You don't have a problem here yet. But in case, yeah. If it moves very hard, you have to take it off and then clean it and then grease it. Grease the whole thing.
How, for example, how you take it? You don't need to. I mean, how?
No, you just take this.
Take
and
this
the
off.
duster, yeah. Take this off and it will just go away. No, it's nice. It's good here.
You have to put some oil as well inside, or there is already oil in there?
That brake grease. We just put some brake grease inside for the pin to move. So now you have lots of brake pads. I cleaned the clips and these rails. Now I'm putting them back with this kind of bent top.
Yeah.
It goes to the top side. So here it sits.
It's nice.
Oh, sorry, my phone's ringing. I know. So now I'm putting the caliper bracket back. It sits on two 17mm bolts. So we are tightening.
What again? Sorry.
It's a caliper rewinding tool. It's just pretty straightforward. Oh, here you have. It's very comfortable stuff. I mean, I made this one because when I was putting the old pads here and when rotating it, the old pads get damaged. That's why I put an old big wheel nut. I mean, right bolt nut here. The brake pedal. Trying to put the brake pads.
So which
here.
part is going in, which part is out, brother?
So the one with this kind of clip,
yeah,
goes inside,
and
the one without goes outside.
So okay, now you have to.
So now, yeah, I have to bend this one a bit. Because otherwise it will damage these clips, you know. It will damage the clips. And it will not move freely. It's not really the thing that you must do, but for the sake of time saving, you can do some
Now you can put the lubricate.
Yeah, some grease to make it move a bit more comfortable. Oh, nice.
Done, yeah?
Yeah. Fits it well. These clips.
So we're not on this.
Yeah. Clips are fine. This spring clip is also fine. It's moving, it's not stuck. Cool. Now we are doing the very expensive.
The same thing I did. I got the brake disc for the. So the back disc cost £70 for the two.
Ooh.
I guess
Not
okay
bad.
the price,
Yeah,
yeah.
no, because you have it. Finally, I'll put some grease here too for it to be a bit more. I mean,
Nice one. Close ups.
you put it back. Now we just release the caliper rewinder. I put the caliper back. Now it's a bit loose, but when we assemble everything, you will press the brake pedal several times, a bit harder.
You have to lift a little bit over.
Yeah, to adapt everything to new rotors, new discs and new pads, man. Ideally, you have to spray brake cleaner.
I guess I have.
Oh, if you're happy, you can do it now, man.
I guess I have almost.
I had one, but it was not enough for 3 or 4 cars.